Delhi Airport has given a clarification on the voltage imbalance. The GMR Group has said that there has been a significant voltage spike around 2 p.m. and we had to switch to generators as soon as possible. We did that. The backup was operational in a few minutes and the grid had stabilized by 3 p.m. However, the situation with the passengers remains same at the moment. Well, that is the latest statement that is coming in regarding the power supply disruption at the Delhi airport today. My colleague Ishika now joins us on the broadcast, getting us more on that. Ishika, we believe this is the statement now that has been released by the GMR, giving a clarification on the power supply disruption.
Well, yes, Kitty, as you rightly mentioned today, we did see that how, in fact, the passengers who were waiting at the T3 terminal, all of them, took to social media saying that there was, in fact, a power supply cut that was there at the airport, and because of that, the baggage counter, the DG Yatra, e-gates were impacted. Now, after that, now the Delhi airport, in fact, has issued a clarification over this and said that around 2 p.m., there was a significant voltage spike at the grid that was, in fact, reported due to a tripping of a 765 kilowatt line, which, in fact, had impacted all the IGI terminals and, thus impacting the baggage acceptance and the e-gates. But, to maintain the essential services, all the terminals, in fact, were switched to DG load. The power backup system also that has been installed in the Delhi airport was operationalized within a few minutes is what the Delhi airport authorities continue to say, and they say that all the backup procedures were initiated to facilitate passengers at all the touch points in just few minutes. They say that at 3 p.m. the grid voltage was in fact stabilized, and it was then again transition back from DG load to DTL grid load. So what the Delhi airport basically says that it was due to a voltage spike that the power, disruption was there at the airport, but it was only for a few minutes, and all of it was, restored by 3 p.m. But in the middle of it, it was in fact a transition to the DG load. But we did see how the people were saying that they faced a lot of difficulty because the baggage acceptance, the DG Yatra gates, all of that were impacted in the
All right.